Good morning, students. Welcome to the St. Thomas School. Today I will teach you EVS. In EVS we are going to learn chapter 3 air. So let's see, students. Chapter 3 air. Air is all around us. Air has no color. Students, air is all around us. Air has no color. So we cannot see it, but we can feel. We can feel the air when it moves. Keep your hand in front of your mouth and blow on the hand. If you are keeping your hand in front of your mouth and you blow on the hand, you can feel something, students? Yes, you can feel something. You can feel the air. When you switch on the fan in your room, you can feel air. Yes, when we are switching on the fan, we are feeling air. The sheets of paper kept on the table will start flying. When we kept the sheets on the paper, we can keep the sheets of paper on the table. We that's flying. Start flying because of the air. This shows that air moves. Moving air is called wind. What called, students? Moving air is called wind. Air that moves gently is called a breeze. Air that moves gently moving, that called a breeze. A strong wind is called a storm. A strong wind we called a storm. Next we'll see breeze. You can see the first picture of breeze. Breeze, you can see the curtains and all, they are moving. That we call a breeze. You can see the storm. You can see the second picture of storm. That called a storm. The storm, a strong wind. That strong wind we called a storm. You can see the second picture, students. Storm. Okay. Now, next we'll see. Air is important to us. Yes, air is important to us. All living beings need air to breathe. We need air to breathe, students. All living beings need air to breathe. Types of air. We just seeing the types of air, students. Air gives shapes to things. It is used in many ways. We need air to breathe. We need air for breathing. Yes, we need air for breathing also. We need air to fly kites. If you are flying the kites and it uses the air, yes. If you are flying the kites, then air must be needed. We need air to blow a balloon. We are blowing the balloon, then we are using the air. Yes, you are just blowing the balloon, then you can see in this picture, you can see the flying the kites. We use the air. Yes, if we are blowing the balloon, then we can use the air. We feel air in tires. When you are filling in the air in tires, you can see the air. We feel air in tires. In tires, we are filling the air. Okay. Now next we'll see, students. Air is needed for things to burn. Air is needed. Air is needed for things to burn. When we are burning something, then air must be needed for things to burn. Okay, students. Now next we'll see. We all need clean and fresh air. We are needed only clean and fresh air. Air is not clean everywhere. Air is not clean everywhere. Smoke from factories and vehicles makes the air dirty. You can see in factories, you can see the smoke and factories, you can see the dirty pollution. That call it pollution, dirty pollution. You can see in factories, you can see the picture of that factories. The dirty air is there. That called a polluted air. What called, students? A polluted air. In vehicles, in smoke, you can see. So you can see in picture also that dirty air is called a polluted air. Okay, students. Next we'll see. Dirty and polluted air makes us sick. That dirty and polluted air makes us sick. That got of fevers, that sneezing and coughing, all this happen. We should keep the air clean. We can reduce air pollution in the following ways. plant more trees. Students, we have to plant more trees and reduce the use of cycles and vehicles. You can see the reduce of, we can use only cycles, we can use. Reduce the use of vehicles like you can see the vehicles like petrols, and then we have to reduce the vehicles. We use only bicycle. You can see use bicycle as much as possible. Okay. So students, in homework you have to read this lesson again. Okay students, thank you.